Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the Jack's Passive Income channel. Now in today's video, or in this video today should I say, because we're going to have multiple videos out today, we're going over the current Jade price and the current Jade earnings. Now the reason that I sound a bit more enthusiastic in this video is because guys, look what is in on our screens right now. Jade protocol is up 47% for the day. Now I think I know the reason why this is, and we're going to be going over that in just a second. But if you guys saw in yesterday's video, I mean, we were down at like $200. We even dipped below that, right? However, overnight we went from about $300, well, yeah, about $250 yesterday, all the way up to $422, which was roughly my entry into this thing. Now, if we go and have a look at Jade Protocol, this thing is currently paying 7 billion% nearly, which is just insane. Now, guys, this is very, very positive news. Things are back up. This thing's paying 7 billion% APY. I'm currently up to, sorry about that. I am currently up to about $486 worth of Jade. Currently earning $24 per day in this thing. This, guys, is currently nearly paying 7 billion%. All right, now, if we're going to have a look, again, this timer is, people are, still skeptical about it, and I don't blame them from what's happened, PTSD and whatever. However, going over these stats, we'll talk about more of that in a second, but going over these stats, guys, this thing's paying 7 billion% APY. The price is currently $362. I'd like to see this price go back up to $500, and I think it will. It's just a matter of time for that to happen. Now, look, if we have a look at this chart on a more sort of wide perspective, look, this sort of mini dip here that we had over the past sort of few days isn't too bad if we're going back up like I think we are. Okay, so it's nothing to be too worried about. 7 billion%. The market cap is over $250 million right now at 256 million. Total value locked is currently $140 million. Treasury balance is currently sat at 95 million nearly. And the backing per Jade is $134. This is actually a pretty good price to backing ratio there. I like to see that kind of stay the same. That would be good. But going further and looking into this, why is this price up so much on the day? Well, and actually, let's just double check the market cap of this thing. Okay, so the market cap on CoinGecko still hasn't updated, but the 24-hour volume has. So this thing has been trading quite a lot over the past 24 hours, over 100 million, which is very nice there. So yeah, highest is 422, which is about my entry. When I looked this morning, about an hour ago, if I go over to the stake, this thing was way like I was in profit here, which is good to see. Now I'm currently earning $24 a day, which will work out how much I've made in just a second here. Looking at this calculator, if we predict the price of Jade going to be $500, then in a month's time, we've turned $500 into about $2,000, and in a year, $34 billion. Now, of course, that's not sustainable. This is going to be probably nowhere near sustainable. I think this will probably continue paying high billions for the next few days, and then it will drop to probably very high millions, then drop to maybe a few 100,000%, I'd say. But that is my opinion. Anyway, why has Jade, or how has this price increased a lot over the past 24 hours? Well, if we go over to Twitter, they tweeted out last night at 9:53 p.m. UK time that they're going to start airdropping $1 million plus to Jade wallets every week. Those who 3-3 will be rewarded. Every week, the game will reset, with winners from previous week getting more rewards the longer that they 3-3. So pretty much, the longer that you hold this token, the more sort of airdrop you're going to get. Full details tomorrow, plus the utility vision of Jade. P.S. The APY about to be 10 billion%. I can't wait for this thing, okay? I can't wait. Now, we will see the full details tomorrow, as they're saying. This is going to be very good info. If they actually do come out with this today, that's going to be really good. And also, they're going to be coming out with the utility vision for Jade. Now, if we also have a look at their profile, I think they've gained quite a few followers on Twitter as well recently. But if we go and have a look, okay, I think that they did get... they done some giveaways last night, right? They gave about $10,000 away worth of Jade tokens, I think. Yeah, they gave away some money here. So applies this to wallet address, and boom, here we go. This guy got a nice little airdrop there of about $2,000. Wow, okay, so it's not even in Jade tokens. They're actually giving USD, well, Binance USD, which is a stable coin. So they're giving away $2,000 to a few people, which is really nice to see there. So positive news for Jade. We'll see what happens over the next day. I think it'll probably be roughly the same time that they released the info. Now, when it comes to this timer then, because what I was under the impression of was that this timer was the countdown for their utility to launch. However, they say that they're going to be releasing the full details of the utility today. So we will see what that does to the price of Jade. I'm hoping that it will increase it. We will see. However, what I do still think, guys, is that I believe that when this timer gets down to about 24 hours, a lot of people are going to sell their tokens, which is going to have a massive impact on the price of Jade. Because, look, people have PTSD. And the thing is, I don't know why Jade actually introduced this. Because, as someone rightly commented on my video yesterday, is that people kind of, the guys at Jade, they know how this makes, DAO holders feel because of what happened before with Snowdock and previous projects that have a timer that have scammed out. So, I don't know why they introduced this. Maybe it's a marketing play. Who knows? Well, it is a marketing play, but why they done it, I don't know. Because, everyone knows sort of what happened the last time this was introduced into a DAO project. So we'll see what happens when this does get to about, 24 hours away. I think we're going to see a massive sell-off on some Jade tokens. I'm personally not going to be selling. I'm just going to be holding and seeing how things play out. But we'll see what happens over the next day or so. Now let's go ahead and check out my daily earnings for Jade then. So if we go and have a look at my video yesterday, which again, thank you so much for the support everyone on yesterday's videos. It has been pretty insane all round. So let's go ahead and have a look to see how much money we've made with this over the past 24 hours. So if we see, currently I had 1.2811 Jade, and I currently have about 1.33191. So if we go ahead and copy this, let's go ahead into my calculator, paste that in there, and then we'll subtract yesterday's amount. So we had, let's go back here, so we had 1.2811, so take away 1.2811, so we've made about 0.058 Jade tokens. So and this was about, how long ago was that? About 23 hours ago. So yeah, we should have had a full rebase there. Or not 3 rebases though. So yeah, I mean, this is roughly about 24 hours worth of earnings. So 0.058. So we've made 21 bucks over the past 24 hours with Jade. Now looking at my daily earnings, so we're currently making this every 8 hours. And if we times that by 3, because there's 3 rebases in a day, so we're making about 0.066 Jade tokens per day. So if we give this a refresh, let's go ahead and see how much we're making per day. So we're making currently $24 a day from this, plus let's see how much we're making from Wonderland. Making 0.00639. 0.00. Let's give this a refresh. $0.00639. So making $34 a day in Wonderland. Plus, let's cancel that. Plus, we're making about $24 a day, $24.30 a day, plus $24.30. So making about 58 bucks a day right now in passive income, which times that by 30. So we're making just under $1,800 a month, which is, what's that, like $21,000 a year. This is unrealized gains though, by the way, because I'm not like cashing any money out or anything on a daily basis. I'm just letting it stack up so we can earn more and more. But we're currently earning about $21,000 a year in passive income from these 2 platforms, which is just insane. Like in the UK, I think that's nearly like an average salary in the UK, right? Off of like a $2,500 investment. Or maybe not. Maybe that's below average. I don't know. But anyway, going to the point, $21,000 a year in passive income from $2,500 investment, guys, into these two platforms and that's total, right? 2,000 into Wonderland and 500 into Jade is just incredible. So we'll see how things play out over the next couple of days. This is extremely positive news for Jade, though, what they're doing. One, with these airdrops, one with the giveaways that they've done, but secondly, with the airdrops that they have just announced, which is just incredible. So let me see if I can find the tweet. Here it is. Going to start airdropping $1 million. Yeah, guys, go and find out this. Go and look at this tweet because that is insane. And they say that they're okay. Look, they can't sort of predict this. Well, they can predict it, but they can't guarantee this. So, you know, about 10 billion% APY will be very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and look over these replies in my own time after I've recorded finishing today's videos because I think it's pretty interesting to know. But this is my Twitter, guys. By the way, at JPKDefi. If you guys want to go follow me on Twitter, then there is my @. There's a few guys on there, a few of you that have come over and followed, so I appreciate that. I'm going to be sharing some more of my thoughts and get some threads going as well soon. Also, let me know if you want me to start a Discord server where we can discuss all of this stuff on Discord outside of YouTube comments, and I will get that created. But yeah, I'm following everyone back on Twitter, so if you guys want to give me a follow, you'll get a follow back, and I do appreciate all the support recently. It's been absolutely just insane. But yeah, there we go, guys. Very, very positive news for all Jade token holders. I hope all of you that were in the red over the past couple of days are now starting to see some of your money back, which is nice to see. I know I am. I think we're very close to being at a break even right now. I think it was like $504. So we're only like $18 down right now. So it's not too bad. I think we'll probably make that back over the next... Well, I know we're going to make it over the next day. It just depends on the Jade price. So we'll see how things go over the next couple of days, guys. But thanks for watching. And yeah, if you do have any questions, make sure you drop them down below. I reply to every single comment. So yeah, make sure you do drop any questions or any thoughts down below. And yeah, let me know what you think of this news. Do you think it's positive? Do you think it's negative? And yeah, we'll go from there. But thanks, guys, for watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.